to a valley, an ocean to a stone. The time it takes the edges to become well worn. But with your arms around me, I've never been more sure that all this time and softened lines are better than before. We're better than before.
From the Word of God, from the Bible, yung word, maybe the most important word, one that defines all of us, one that is what it is sa mag-asawa, sa relasyon natin sa Diyos, sa relasyon natin to one another. And what is that? Love.
My love will not change. My love will not change.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
My love will not change.
Marami hong uri ng pag-ibig that we know. But in this special moment of sacrament of matrimony, love is even more made sacred or divine.
Through the ebb and flow, it's a steady glow. In the rise and fall, and through it all, my love will not change. My love
Fragile
will not change.
ang relationship, pwedeng masira. It's a treasure, pero not made of gold. It can be
My love
broken.
will not change.
Siguro talagang pinag-isipan ni na Rolly at Lourdes. Kahit na 10 taon na silang magkakilala Can they survive? Can they love each other till death?
I set out on a narrow way many years ago, hoping I would find true love along the broken road. But I got lost a time or two.
Lourdes Leah, you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband.
Yes, Father.
Every long lost dream led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern
Kaya,
stars, pointing me
tayo po
on
na
my way.
ma-attend sa mga kasal,
Loving arms, this
wag lang
much
pong
I
tignan
know
yung mga
is true.
external things.
That
We come here to assure them that we are praying for them.
to you. Yes, it did. I think about the
Rolly,
years I spent
did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
But you just smile and take my hand.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christian children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Every long lost dream led me to where you
And so we turn to Him every time in the future you feel that love is waning, remember this day that you profess to love each other, and the day that your friends, mga mahal sa buhay, are with you to support you and to remind you that you love each other.
And now I'm just rolling home into my lover's arms. This much I know is true, that God bless the broken road that led me straight to you. That God bless
Lee,
the broken road
being now the husband may now
that
kiss
led me
the bride.
straight to you.